The fight's over here, dipsh.
Who's driving this? Who's driving this thing? Hello? Guys, I'm a little concerned. Sure how I feel about it. Oh, there he is. Hi. Ah, please no. Ah, oh, come on, I saw him. And then my gun wouldn't shoot. Okay, hold on. He's coming up the ladder. We'll just revenge. We'll just be like, hey, you remember me? Yeah, I'm the guy that you killed. Remember that? Well, you gonna live. Actually, no, I'm gonna get in this thing, guys. No, wait. No, don't drive away. Take the wimp. Oh, really? I'm not getting out. He's like, please. Please. His face was so begging. This guy is driving away from all the action. Come on, dude, you're the worst. Oh, hi. Ah!
Alright, I'm done.
Come on. Okay, hold on, he's attacking. Fireman! Oh, good. Oh, I thought he dodged it. I was like, dude! I should have attacked him instead of attacking that car, but neither one of them worked out in the end, so it's okay. I see you on him, man. Hey, dude. Oh, dang it. What the? You shooting at me? Yeah, that's right. You better hide. Ah! No, I mean, what the heck? Oh! Oh! That guy was just like, no. What if he's me? Ow! 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 Okay, let's go run. Let's go run some fools over. Wow! Oh, I missed. Hi! No, please! Oh, crap. He just got sniped. Oh, my gosh.
Going out.
On a Tuesday. Hey.
One of our fucking guys is down.
I'm just... No, come on. Right. Okay, that's good. Throw. Go. Right there.
Charge in place. Guys are going down. Hey, give us a hand over here, will you?
Aha! Oh, come on! What the heck just happened? Oh! Oh, that was really nice. Oh, I got him again. Oh, wow. Okay. Didn't do anything. Ow, don't counter snipe me. Counter sniping's bad. Oh, dang. Okay, let's put this here again because that actually worked out well. Ow! Oh, I got another dude. Okay. That's a dude. Right there. That shouldn't. Oh, cool. No, we lost. Never mind. Okay, guys. Well, that was derailed. That was pretty fun. I did some sniping. That was cool. I also drove around, got ran over, but mainly it was the sniping. Yeah. So the next map is Everglades. I don't think I've ever done that one, so I guess we'll see. I got 5th. That's not bad. Anyway, see ya.